What's up, guys? Welcome to GILL'S Garage. Today we're going to start restoration on a 1978 Camaro. It's been sitting for many years and it's going to need a lot of work to get it back to where it should be. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and dive right into it and see what it's going to take to get it back on the road again. So just walking up to it, we can already tell it's going to need some new tail lights. These tail lights are just terrible. Looks like it got spray painted and jimmy rigged all around. This whole quarter panel, we're going to need to do a lot of body work to get this looking good again. You can see it's dented. It looks like someone tried to fix it and they did a terrible job at it. But man, there's rust underneath there and that's just not going to work. Coming over here to the door, you can see that the door jamb is kind of weird looking. Looks like it's a little bit lower. So we're going to have to figure out the doors and see what's going on with that. And I'm pretty sure there's probably going to be some rust down in here. You can tell this is just flaking away. Man, we got a lot of stuff to do. Looks like this mirror got ripped off. You can tell that it's kind of dented right in here. That's going to need some freaking straightening and a lot of other stuff. Coming up to it, you can see that the fenders are all dented. The front bumper is kind of messed up. I don't know exactly what we're going to do to get all of this back to where it should be. Could just do a fiberglass front clip and make it a race car or do something along those lines, but let's go ahead and pop open this hood and see what all it's going to take to get it running. Woo, buddy! Man, it's shiny. Oh no, that's a weird carburetor. I haven't really ever messed with a carb like that. Can't even see if there's anything that it's gonna, I don't know. That's weird. It just looks weird. Well, looks like some stuff's been done to it. It's got some headers, intake manifold. I mean, so far. Ooh, got a water pump. A good looking water pump. That'll be nice. The interior is already completely stripped out on this thing. The windshield's probably going to need to be replaced. There's a crack up in here. Man, this thing has just been sitting. Got an aluminum racing seat. That's kind of nice, but there's obviously holes in the floor pans and a bunch of other stuff like that that's going to need to be fixed. However, I'm sure we can get this thing looking real good. No dash. That's great. Looks like we got some weird stuff going on right in here. So we're going to have to shave that down and get it back to what it should be. Alright guys, after looking really into depth on the vehicle, I saw that there was a lot of work that really does need to get done. But I think the best place to start is to go ahead and get the body looking good and get the rust taken care of on the outside, and then working my way to the interior and to the engine. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking off all the trim around the windows and all the tail lights and the headlights and just getting everything stripped down and get it ready for body work to get started on it. Look at that. I think we're going to have to be doing some power washing once we get all the other stuff taken off. But man, these bolts right in here, this one specifically was a pain in the butt because they don't give you no room in here to actually, you have to slide your hand underneath there and you only have about 2 inches. So you have to use a crescent wrench to get it done right. But we're slowly getting stuff taken off. Very, very, very slowly. Alright guys, I finally got all the trim taken off, the tail lights, both the front fenders and the hood, and it's been a long day for me and I'm really tired. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a night and I'll catch you guys in the morning. What's up guys, it's the next day and we're fixing to pull this car out and give it a nice wash because no one likes working on a dirty car. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and pull it outside and hop right into it. Alrighty guys, we finally got the car washed and got it all ready for body work. So all that's left now is to let it dry and I'll throw it back in the garage. And that's going to just have to be it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next. See ya.